wasn't expecting a squad to show up. What we got here? Manila, you got Hurricane, Ghost, Sin, Lord Von Stalin, Vlad, I should say, Frank, everyone. Highway Bullies, everyone's here. 360 Moa, M-O-A, however you pronounce that. Everybody must have went inside. Oh no, they're getting food.
We're going to Taco Tuesday in Frednick.
Fredericksburg? Frederick, Maryland? In Frederick, Maryland?
Yeah.
I don't know, that storm gonna be up that way. I just checked the radar.
Is storm coming?
Yeah. Going up Frederick. Yeah. Oh shoot, what's up, sir? Damn, I didn't even know you was coming too. They got the whole GG squad here. All right. You probably should.
Say what? He's still good though.
How far you gotta go?
What's that?
How far you gotta go?
All the way up to Ellicott City.
Oh, ooh.
Yeah, we're gonna be there in probably 10 minutes.
Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, that like. Look, I thought I was the only one that had the extended gas tank, man.
Oh, yeah.
I love
it.
That's a game changer.
I'm trying not to get so close up here.
I don't think I had it on. So repeat everything you said. It's like, no. Usual suspects. Infamous. Got my favorite color scheme too. Yes, sir. Beat this storm that's coming. All right. It's about to storm out here. Look at all these weapons. See, the parking lot got empty real fast. Real fast. Look at that special edition Kawasaki. I said 817, so that place was like an alley. I said, yep, that's it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, K Street. Yeah, one of them was quite nice and easy. That's a biker bar. Here we go. Look at them boots. This GR Gunner Girls. We sponsor Dionysi, but they still rock because they up there. Look at that GR sponsored by Alpine Star boots. Alpine Star. Look at that. Everybody got them Alpine Star. Oh, NK not again. It's the second time. Oh, hey, those are joints I was going to get from Myrtle, actually. You know.
Hey, how did your Myrtle boots hold up?
Oh, they were fine. GR just come in with that fresh gear. Isn't it fresh, Ozzy?
Yeah, it's
come in with that fresh gear. Look at that. Look, oh my God, I know he could fly to the moon with them wings. I know that's
the Flawed edition.
I'm telling you, that must be to take him to Mars. No, Pluto. I swear.
This joint looks like it's been on the book.
Man, look at the cows. Once again, the cows just cow. Look at them, 2 Suzukis. Cow killing the game. Y'all can't tell me cow ain't killing the game.
In the Barnes and Noble.
Not here. Oh, that was somewhere else.
Nah, it's across the street.
I'm listening to you though, man. You going to Annapolis, man?
Try my new night setting. Cause like I said, the joint look all, and I said they're gonna think I said, oh, this kind of like goes against my credibility. They're gonna say, look at Mo, he's speeding up their video. Look at that. Come on, they're like, come on, Mo, you don't be faking with us. And I said, I don't know why this joint's sped up.
Called me sinfully happy.
Do some illegal shit.